Blind Item News, aktres, umamin na rin na hindi na rin kayang manatili. Saad niya sa isang interview ng Showbiz Insider, "There was a time when I believe we would make it. Akala ko kahit anong mangyari, we'll always find our way back to each other kasi when you're in love, ang daling paniwalaan na enough na yon para manatili. But life doesn't always work that way. Akala ko ganon. Hindi naman tayo nauubusan ng pagmamahal. We just slowly became people who needed different things. At habang pilit nating hinahawakan ng isa't isa, mas lalo tayong napapagod. Kasi for a while, I keep wondering if we could done something differently. Maybe one more chance would change everything. Pero habang tumatagal, na-realize ko na hindi lahat ng kwento kailangan ng second chance. Some stories are already complete even if they didn't last forever. Dagdag pa niya, "I still hope you're doing okay. Sana masaya ka na kahit hindi na ako ang dahilan nun. Maybe we were never meant to stay until the end. Maybe we're only meant to meet, love each other for a while, and then let it go. Maybe that's what our happy ending looked like all along."